All right, guys, this is my review of the Paris Rhone Gooseneck electric kettle. It's got a temperature variable um, twist right here, and it goes up to 212 degrees. It's electric, so all you do is plug it in. And this stainless steel kettle will hold whatever heat you put it at for about an hour. So I actually just like the look of this. So it's got a matte. First of all, my name is Matthew Paul. I help Amazon customers like you make quick informed buying decisions on products I have firsthand experience with. Today, we're doing an unboxing and first kettle run of the Paris Rhone Gooseneck kettle. First of all, it's got that classic kettle vibe. Um, Here's what it sets on. Just sets on right like that. And then I'm gonna plug it in. We don't even need the instruction manual for this. You know, this stuff's too easy to use. Hopefully it didn't track that word I just said. Sorry about that. All right. So, all right. So we've got the kettle set up and plugged in. Now what I'm gonna do is just turn it on for the first time. I've got some water in there. So it says hello. Okay, 212 degrees. Okay, so is this where let's see. Oh, it's going right now. Okay. Okay, this is so easy to use, dude. So as it's heating up, you can hear it heating up. I think you can hear it. I can hear it. I'm trying to put the microphone up there to it. You can see how quickly the temperature's going up. This is unbelievably fast. So some things I want to point out. It has a very stylish finish. This is going to sit in somebody's kitchen and look very good. Like I actually would like having this out on the countertop. It's got a matte black finish, which I really like on the kettle itself, as well as the unit it sets on. And that digital display is it's pretty like minimal modern, clean. So if that's what you like going for, I mean, this is easy. Look how quick this is boiling. I mean, this is going to be up at 212, and this is fast. So you can see the heat coming out there. It's coming out. All right, it's done. That's how quick we got it to a boil. And that's going to hold the temperature for about an hour. So my first thoughts on this is I am very happy I got this. I'm excited to use it. I do a lot of coffee, but at night I like to do a lot of tea, and that's just to chill out and relax a little bit. Whether you're doing instant coffee, tea, hot chocolate, anything like that, anything that's going to require hot water, even soup. Dude, this is great. That boiled so fast, way better than putting it on the stove. Um, I highly recommend this based on my first use. I'm excited about the style aspect too. I hope I helped you make a quick, informed buying decision for you. Peace.